Have you seen our vlog, Andrew?
No.
She hasn't updated it in 3 months.
What work are you been doing then?
You ready? Let's go! I came from the mud. There's dirt on my hands. Strong like a tree. There's roots where I stand. Oh, I've been running from the law. Hope they won't shoot me down soon. They sing on a sleepless night. Try to catch me howling at the moon. Try to catch me howling at the moon. Try to catch me howling at the moon. Try to catch me howling at the
Welcome to Rome. This is our room view. Yeah, maybe. Alright. All blue lines.
servant to King.
Can't see nothing.
Have you seen our vlog, Andrew?
No.
She hasn't updated it in 3 months.
What work are you been doing then?
Unfortunately, we've had to create this course that she's going to compete.
Yeah, but
So
you're
that'll be
marketing
step 3. So Alexa briefing, then a website, membership site, and then we'll make an app from there.
Yeah.
That's the most complicated step.
Because they are doing this like this relaxing app. You know, it's called something. I'll show you.
That'll help.
It's called Calm. C-A-L.
Oh yeah, of course. I got
Yeah.
Calm. Yeah, I got Calm, Headspace, Insight, Timer. Those are all triple-digit million valuation,
Yeah.
like VC backed.
I've never wanted to use that. I'll be honest with
So
you.
you're not in our market.
Because I'm waiting for yours, man.
Oh, I like
I think
that.
yours would be more
Imagine
multifunctional.
meditate. Yeah, and ours will be free.
Yeah.
And I got all my Calm, Headspace, Insight. Insight's mostly free, but it's a clunky app. This is the prettiest app. It's probably the most, what's the word? Got the most publicity around it. But they try to make you subscribe like right away. 140 years.
So it's like Match or eHarmony where they like don't show any of that shit to you.
Oh yeah, right.
You want to see some?
Yeah.
You want to see some girl?
They give you a 3-minute free preview.
That's what she said.
Get the part where she comes out and like just before it gets interesting.
Joe, what did I say? What did I say about the Colosseum? I said I know all I need to know about the Colosseum. Tigers, killing, death, gladiators. Let's go, son. Cut that. Cut the vlog. The vlog's over, son.
We're at the...
Trevi.
We're at the...
Trevi.
Mine was cooler. Mine's always cooler, you know.
You are the bomb, Andrew. Are you gonna toss a coin? Did you hit someone in the head?
Hopefully not.
Italy was amazing. We had lots of time to reflect and lots of inspirational things to see and do. I love cities and countries that have a lot of history that's well preserved and a rich, deep culture. So Italy was just awesome. My favorite part was actually Tuscany and our trip around Florence and into the wine country. Just gorgeous. And it's been a whirlwind tour the past couple of years. So much travel literally all around the world. What you see in the vlog is just a very small percentage of all the travel we've been doing. And we've also been running this business, and we have a team scattered around the world, and I've not taken an actual day off or more than one full day off the past few years. So this Italy tour was about 2 weeks or so, and I blocked off about a week just to enjoy the trip and the vacation. You have a real holiday, be fully present, the whole thing, and it was so transformational. The past couple of years in our company, we've been trying to take a different direction, and it's been a challenge because the earlier preconceptions of the kind of work we did about 10 years ago versus the direction we're in now, which is a lot more psychotherapy and psychotherapeutic processes. And this time in Europe allowed us the opportunity to reflect and decide that that's really the direction we want to go, and take that and run with it. So the past couple of years, I've been moving from being a client in psychotherapy to being on the other side of the couch or on the other side of the table and getting training in psychotherapy from the top people and the top modalities and approaches, and just getting a lot more experience in that. And it's been an amazing journey so far. And looking back, like the last over 15 years when I first moved from academia into life coaching, dating coaching, started out as a dating coach and pickup. And now it's been like 3 lifetimes, it seems. And all of that is just from reflecting on my friends who haven't moved much or haven't transformed much or grown much, or the people who haven't changed much in 15 years. Pretty much the same, just got older. And it boggles my mind. And one of the things I notice is there are dark times in your life when you have challenges, and you can either retreat and stay in your comfort zone, or you can lean in, say yes, as cheesy as that sounds, but really seize those opportunities and if it takes like a year to get ready, if you have an opportunity to take up a job halfway around the world or halfway around the country, and it entices you, but you feel like it's outside your comfort zone, you got to do it. And if that means you need a year to prepare and get your things in order, take care of your properties or whatever, and then move on, do it. But just whatever it is, just plan it, schedule it in, and lean in and go and do it. Just say yes and take that opportunity. Step outside your comfort zone. Push it farther than you're comfortable doing. That's how you grow. And I've been really fortunate over 15 years to start off. I've enjoyed being an academic and the luxuries of that comfortable life, and then seeking new challenges that were naturally coming out of my personal life, and going from pickup into a more holistic life coaching and living that life for several years, and now moving even deeper into the unconscious, into exploring psychotherapeutic approaches and trauma recovery and so on. And it's been amazing. And some of our guys have been with us through that whole ride. Many of them have not, and they've made the most of each of those phases that I've been in and the way that the company's been in. And but some have stayed through, and I have many friends who have been there the whole way, and it's been amazing. And it was great to connect with an old friend, Andrew, as you've seen in this vlog. It was a lot of fun. It's crazy. He was only with us in Rome, and well, it was a lot of fun. So thank you, Andrew, for coming out for that. It was crazy fun, and looking forward to visiting Europe again.
Like a virgin.